In this video, we'll solve a function problem. A function is given f(x) equals x squared plus ax plus b. Two functional values are given. Function of 1 equals 1. Function of 2 equals 2. We need to find the value of function of 3. The given function is function of x equals x squared plus ax plus b. We can give this as equation number 1. So function of 1 is, we need to find the value of 1 in place of x, which is 1 square plus a times 1 plus b, which gives us 1 plus a plus b. But we know the value of function of 1 is 1, so we can put the value and we can write 1 plus a plus b equals 1. We can take 1 on the right side and we can write a plus b equals 1 minus 1, which gives us a plus b equals 0, which is equation number 2. Now we have function of 2 equals 2. So if we put the value of 2 in place of x in equation number 1, we have function of 2 equals 2 square plus a times 2 plus b. This gives us 4 plus 2a plus b, but we know the value of function of 2 as 2, so you can write 4 plus 2a plus b equals 2. We can take 4 on the right side and we can write 2a plus b equals 2 minus 4, which gives us 2a plus b equals minus 2. This is equation number 3. So from equation number 2, we have a plus b equals 0, a plus b equals 0, and from equation number 3, we have 2a plus b equals minus 2. If we minus equation 3 from equation 2, we have this b and b cancelled, and we have a minus 2a as minus a equals 0 minus 2, 0 minus minus 2 as 2. So we have a equals minus 2. So this is the value of a. Now if we put this value in equation here, a plus b equals 0, so we have minus 2 plus b equals 0, which gives us b equals 2. So this is the value of b. Now we can put the value of a and b in the original function fx. So we have in equation 1 fx equals x squared plus ax plus b. We can put the value of a and b. So we have function of x equals x squared plus a means minus 2 times x plus b means 2. So we have x squared minus 2x plus 2. Now we need to find the value of function of 3. So if we put the value of 3 in place of x, we can get the value of function of 3. So we have function of 3 equals 3 square minus 2 times 3 plus 2, which gives us 9 minus 6 plus 2. So 9 plus 2 is 11 minus 6, which gives us the value of function of 3 as 5. So this is our required value for this problem. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.